Talking about China and the LAC, let's also get you further ground inputs on what's happening there on ground. Border dispute situation there that continues to be in a face-off stage. The Indian Army, the Indian Air Force have now started preparing logistics in advance at forward areas. This is at the LAC. Commodities including food, heating appliances, spare parts, all being brought in through military transport aircrafts there, the C-17 and Hercules. Now this is an advanced exercise here to keep the jawans going at the LAC in absolute preparedness. Supplies being unloaded at the Leh Air Base and then taken across to forward locations. We have with us our correspondent Sohil getting us further inputs here from Ground Zero.
We are at a forward location in eastern Ladakh where military aircraft has just landed with the logistic support along the line of actual control. It's been more than 4 months now. There is a face-off going on between the two armies, PLA and Indian Army. Here you can see this is the military aircraft that has landed at a forward base with the logistic support, and this support is for the Indian Army personnel who at this point in time are posted at along the line of actual control and giving befitting reply to the personnel of the People Liberation Army, who every now and then are trying to change status quo along line of actual control, and this has been happening for the 4 months now. And since there will be snowfall in coming month at the forward locations at high altitudes, so the logistic support is being provided to the Indian Army personnel to keep them ready, to keep them go, because Indian Army personnel is ready to face any challenge. So Indian Air Force aircraft are coming up with the logistic support and they're landing at forward locations, to provide this logistic support to the personnel of the Indian Army, because they are the people who are at high altitudes, have taken strategic positions, are rattling the personnel of People's Liberation Army and looking directly at the PLA camps at locations like Moldo and others. So this exercise is happening as in coming month there will be snowfall, and which is really challenging for the personnel of Indian Army because they are the people who have taken strategic positions and have been facing all the challenges that have been put in place by the personnel of People's Liberation Army as they are trying to change the status quo for the last 4 months. But Indian Army is giving a befitting reply and will not budge an inch, as Indian government, Indian Army is committed for its sovereignty and integrity.